Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my favorite sandwich recipes. Now, avocado sandwich is one of my favorites because it's so creamy and it's also really healthy. Let me show you how I make it. So to make this sandwich, you're going to be needing a couple of ingredients. I have here 1 avocado, some spinach, some slices of tomatoes, 2 diced hard-boiled eggs, 2 slices of bread, some butter, and some salt. I'm going to start by cutting my avocado into 2, just like this. You want to make sure that your avocado is ripe. Now, all the ingredients for this recipe will be listed in the description box down below, so you can check that out much later. So I'll go ahead to open the avocado, and guys, look at that beautiful green color. But sometimes you may get some brown patches here and there, but it doesn't really matter. Now, using a spoon, I'm going to get out the avocado and place into my bowl, and I'll go over to the second half and I'll do the same. Using a fork, I'm going to mash it all up. It's really easy. Mash until it becomes creamy. But if you like your avocado with some chunks, then you can mash it however you want. The avocado is going to give your sandwich feeling that creamy texture. So when next you go to the grocery store and you see some fresh avocados, why not buy some and make this creamy sandwich? Now I've just added 2 diced hard-boiled eggs, and I'll go ahead to mix it all up. This recipe is for 2 servings, and I always like to make it just before I eat it because you know avocados will always turn brown. I've just added some salt to the mixture to wake up the flavors from the avocado. After mixing it all up and our mixture is ready, I'll just set it aside. Next, I'll go ahead to spread some butter on my bread slices. Guys, this is a really great breakfast option for you and your family. And if you want to add some mayonnaise to the mixture or some Greek yogurt to your filling, you can go ahead to do so. But I feel like the avocados add enough creaminess for me. I'm just going to toast my bread slices just to brown each side for a bit. So if you're still here, thank you so much. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Evelyn. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Now it's time to assemble our sandwich, and I'll start by placing some spinach. You can also use some lettuce if you have that. Then using a spoon, I'll load up my avocados and egg fillings just like this. So I'm intentionally loading up my filling just because I want to, and also because I want lots of avocado in every bite. So I'm going to be loading it all up, but just add whatever quantity you can handle. Next, I'll place some slices of tomatoes, but if you don't like tomatoes in your sandwiches, you can just leave that out completely. Then I'll place some spinach and I'll close that up, and your creamy avocado sandwich is ready for you to take a bite. Really easy, guys. This is such a simple, healthy and delicious sandwich recipe that anyone can make and enjoy. So you can add this to your breakfast recipes. Just be sure to look out for some ripe avocados when next you go grocery shopping. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.